Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Shopify email for win-back and repeat purchases step by step clearly. To activate Shopify email for win-back and repeat purchases, start by logging into your In the left-hand menu, navigate to Settings. Click on Notifications. Scroll down to the section labeled Shopify. Next, click on Activate to enable Shopify email for your store. Once activated, you will see various templates available for different scenarios. Select the Automated Emails option to set up your win-back emails. Click on Create Email Campaign. Choose Abandoned Cart Emails to remind customers about items they left behind. Craft a compelling subject line to grab your customers' attention. In the email body, include a personalized message encouraging them to complete their purchase. Add product images and links for easy access back to their cart. Customize the schedule for when the email should be sent. After reviewing your email, click Save. Now, return to the Automated Emails section to set up repeat purchase reminders. Select Product Review emails to engage customers who have made recent purchases. Personalize these emails with a thank you message and an incentive for future purchases. Include links to related products that may interest them. Schedule these emails to go out after a set period post-purchase. Review all changes to ensure your emails are set properly. Finally, test your email campaigns by sending them to yourself before the launch. Once satisfied, officially launch your win-back and repeat purchase campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.